Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you ready to take control of your financial future? This video will guide you through the 8 steps to achieve true financial independence. Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve and create a realistic plan. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, clarity is key. You will never get to your destination unless you know where you are going. Step 2. Buy a term life insurance. Protecting your income and loved ones is crucial. Life insurance acts as a safety net, providing financial security for your family in case of unexpected events. As a rule of thumb, you will need to have coverage worth about 10 times your income. Step 3. Budget, like a boss. Track your income and expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and allocate your money wisely. A well-structured budget is the foundation of financial success. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safety net will protect you during challenging times. Step 5. Pay off your debt. Start by tackling the debt with the highest interest rates. Snowball your payments as you pay off one debt and on to the next. This concept will help you pay off your debt faster and will free up more money to invest toward your retirement. Step 6. Invest wisely. Invest for the long term. Learn about different investment options. Whether it's stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or starting a business, investing will significantly grow your wealth. Step 7. Diversify your income. Explore different opportunities for passive income. Look for new income opportunities or side hustles. Strengthen your financial stability. Step 8. Plan for your retirement. Start saving early. Consider options like a 401k plan at your job or an IRA account. The power of compounding interest will reward your early efforts. Congratulations! You've completed the 8 steps to financial independence. Take control of your financial future and begin your journey to true freedom. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks on mastering your finances.